Okay, so this will be my third example in sketching the graph of the hyperbola with center at the origin. But this time, it is a opposite um, of the first and second example. The first and second example, given yung equation, kukunin natin yung conditions or parts of the hyperbola for us to sketch the graph of the hyperbola. This time, given lang a conditions, we're going to determine the equation of the hyperbola. Okay, and at the same time, we're going to determine the graph of the hyperbola. It says, example 3, find the equation of a hyperbola with center at 0, 0, or at the origin, transverse axis parallel to x-axis, the foci at positive negative 3, 0, and vertices at positive negative 2, 0. Identify the parts of the hyperbola and sketch the graph. So, write muna natin yung given. Okay? Given sa atin ay yung location ng foci. So, F1, since transverse axis is parallel to x-axis, ibig sabihin horizontal yung ating hyperbola. Okay? Actually, this not parallel, should be along the x-axis. Nagiging parallel lang ang transverse axis sa x-axis kapag center of the hyperbola is at HK and not on the origin. So, F1 is at 3, 0, and F2 is located at negative 3, 0. And then, yung vertices natin is located at 2, 0, B sub 2, negative 2, 0. Okay. So, the required of the problem is to determine the equation of the hyperbola. We identify the parts of the hyperbola. Ito yung location ng mga parts niya in ordered pair. At yung huli, yung graph of the hyperbola. So, tatlong pinapahanap sa atin. Now, before we can determine the values of these three, gawa muna tayo ng a simple sketch or initial sketch of the graph of the hyperbola by plotting the vertices and the foci. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so ito yung focus. This is F1, 3, 0, and this is your focus 2, negative 3, 0. At ito yung 2, 0 naman ang vertex 1, and vertex 2 is negative 2, 0. Alam natin ang haba ng ating transverse axis ay 2a. No? Yan ay 2a. So, that's equal to 4 units. Therefore, ang value ng a, which is kailangan natin makuha yung a, the value of a is 2 units. Ang haba naman, ang layo ng focus to focus sa hyperbola is 2c. So, kailangan natin ay c. So, ang c natin is equal to 3. Okay? Because 3 plus 3 is 6. Half of 6 is 3. Therefore, c equals 3 units. Now, since we already know the values of a and b and c, we can already determine the value of b. Because for us to determine the equation of the hyperbola, we're going to use this one. X squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. Bakit yan? Kasi yung ating transverse axis is along x-axis. Kapag along y-axis, mababaliktad yan. Magiging y squared over a squared minus x squared over b squared equals 1. Ito ang graph nito pag ganito yung hyperbola. Ito pag ganito. Okay? So, therefore, kailangan na lang natin is b. Okay? So, solve natin si b. So, to solve for the value of b, we're going to use the relation c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Transposing a squared to the other side, therefore, b can be computed by subtracting c squared by a squared. Okay. So, therefore, b equals square root of c squared is 9 and 2 squared is 4. So, therefore, b is equal to square root of 5. Okay. Then we can now determine the equation of the hyperbola, which is the first thing na tinatanong sa atin sa problem. So, solving the equation of the hyperbola. Yan. So, gagamitin natin equation, yung kaninang nabanggit ko. X squared is positive and y squared is negative. Kasi transverse axis along x-axis. So, x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. So, x squared over a squared is 4. Y squared over b. Square root of 5 is 5. Okay? So, we have now the answer dun sa ating unang tinatanong sa atin. So, this is the equation of the hyperbola given yung conditions na nabanggit kanina. Okay? So, the next is to identify the parts and sketch the graph of the hyperbola. Okay? Hindi naman tinatanong kung ilalagay si general equation, so okay itong standard form na sagot natin. So, solve natin yung latera recta or latus rectum. Solving LR. Okay? To solve for LR, we're going to use the relation 2b squared over a. Therefore, 2 square b squared is 5. Okay? Over 2. So, therefore, LR is 5 units. And half of LR is 5 over 2 or 2.5. Okay? So, alam na natin yung LR. Equation of the asymptotes. Kunin na rin natin. Equation of asymptotes. Gamitin natin equation is y equals plus or minus b over ax. Kung babaliktad yan, a over b times x yan kung vertical yung ating hyperbola. Therefore, the equation of asymptotes is y equals plus or minus b is, hindi natin, b is square root of 5. So, square root of 5 over a is 2, x. So, okay na. Yan. Okay, so i-graph na natin. Okay. Natin. So, square root of 5 is, kung natin square root of 5. Square root of 5 is, in decimal is 2.23. So, 2.23 to. Okay. So, graph na natin siya. Okay. So, we have vertices 0, 2, 0 and negative 2, 0. So, ito. Ito. Foci 3, 0 and negative 3, 0. And for the conjugate axis, 2.23 on top, 2.23 below. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, 2.23 is somewhere here. 2.23 is somewhere here. Okay? Kuha tayo ng yan. Okay. Yan. So, yung length of lateral recta is 5. So, 2.5 ang kalahati. So, starting from the focus, we're going to count 2.5 on top, 2.5 below. So, 1, 2.5 somewhere here. lampas ng kaunti dun sa endpoints ng conjugate axis. Dito rin. Dito rin. Ibig sabihin, ganito yung itsura ng ating hyperbola. Okay, ito yung ating lateral recta. Okay. Sa kabila naman. Lateral recta natin. Okay. And then, yung ating equation ng asymptotes, square root of 5/2, positive dito. Okay, dito naman. Okay. So, yung ating mga coordinates, focus 1 is 3, 0. Vertex 1 is 2, 0. Focus 2 is located at negative 3, 0. Vertex 2 is located at negative 2, 0. For the conjugate axis, we have b sub 1 is square root of 5 as 0 square root of 5 on top. Sa baba is b sub 2 is 0 negative square root of 5. Endpoints of the lateral recta, E1 is the horizontal distance is 3, vertical distance is 2.5 or 5 halves. Sa kababa, we have E sub 2 is 3, negative 5 halves. E sub 3 is negative 3, 5 halves. E sub 4 is negative 3, negative 5 halves. For the equation of the asymptote, y equals square root of 5 over 2x. Sa kabila, y equals negative square root of 5 over 2x. Okay. So, ang center nito is at 0, 0. Okay. So, yan yung mga parts of the hyperbola, including the graph of the hyperbola. We have answered example number 3 na tinatanong ay equation of the hyperbola. By the way, the equation of this hyperbola is x squared over 4 minus y squared over 5 equals 1. Okay. So this is the equation, yun yung mga parts, at ito yung sketch of the graph of the hyperbola. Okay, so this will be the last example on the topic about hyperbola with center at the origin. So thank you.